Welcome to the installation video for the Eroute 8000F electric wheelchair. The Eroute 8000F electric wheelchair is the lightest model in our range and one of the lightest on the market. Weighing in at 53 lbs without battery and 57 lbs with battery, its main advantage over all other models is its automatic self-folding, where you can fold the wheelchair using the joystick on the wheelchair, but also via the remote control on the remote. In the package, you will find accessories for installing the headrest. Furthermore, a charger. Tools. Prepare a medium-sized Allen key to install the headrest. Unfasten the headrest. Screw the headrest to the auxiliary bar. Attach the wheelchair sleeve to the auxiliary bar. Next, stretch the cushion and then add the second sleeve. The joystick can be attached to either the right or left side. Then connect the power cable with the battery. You can also use the wheelchair in manual mode. Just switch the red levers at the back of the motors. The joystick lets you add or remove speed or use the horn, and you'll also find the battery level and buttons for folding and unfolding. The electric wheelchair is also equipped with a seat belt. Now the wheelchair is ready for use. You can fold down the footrest or both armrests for safe entry. All essential information can be found in the manual in English. The wheelchair is equipped with an innovative feature, the remote control. Just turn on the wheelchair, turn on the remote control, and you can drive remotely. The wheelchair can also be unfolded and folded remotely. Press the button to unfold and confirm with the button from the back of the remote. You can find storage pockets on the side. The headrest is adjustable by tilting and also in height. Charging is simple and you can charge directly on the joystick or outside just the battery. To fold, press the two buttons on the left side at once. Just remember to press any button to confirm after folding. Unfolding is then done using the two buttons on the right side. Once folded, also press any button to start using the wheelchair. We hope you found this installation video helpful and would be happy if you let us know how happy you are with the wheelchair.